Manufacturing has been and always will be a vital part of our economy. Members of the Precision Machined Products Association play an important role in leading this industry in good times and bad. The National Screw Machine Products Association was founded in 1933 by a small group of shop owners. The association has evolved into a growing membership of more than 500 member companies, known today as the Precision Machined Products Association. As partners in precision, PMPA members work together to meet wartime needs to support the national defense. Precision parts manufactured by member companies made the difference between victory and defeat.
Yeah, I would say that they may have had 40 employees in 1938 or 39, and then it built up into the war. They started doing as much as they could do. I mean, they could have been twice the size that they wanted to be. But during the war, we had about 280 employees and ran 6 days a week, 3-shift basis. And we did almost all of the military and aircraft connectors. Probably more aircraft connectors than anything else. December 7th, 1941 was Pearl Harbor, and we were already making parts before that because they were supplying, the Canadian Air Force was already involved in the war with England, so we manufactured a lot of parts for them because they used American planes. It had, I don't know the figures, but I would guess it had to be 90% of our business. It was a very, very large company. The main things that I know of were airplane connectors, millions of them, and a lot of connectors for telecommunications and for the walkie-talkie when it came in, and for other two-way communication products.
One of the cornerstones of the Precision Machined Products Association from the very beginning has been the sharing of information to help one another succeed. For more than 75 years, members of this association have gathered at the annual meeting to discuss the challenges they face in their business and in the industry. As any member will tell you, the value of being a member are the relationships you build through sharing and active PMPA involvement. Faced with global competition, increased government regulation, stringent quality requirements, labor shortages, and other hurdles along the way, PMPA members have developed programs such as the National Technical Conference, Management Update, and the Precision Machining Technology Show to harness the collective strength and knowledge of the membership to meet these challenges.
The greatest value of PMPA to me has been the networking and those friendships that I've developed throughout the years because of the networking. The local meetings tend to be more technical in nature, at least in our district, and they tend to be of great benefit to the employees in our plant or our engineering staff. My grandfather was one of the founding members of the PMPA. DuPage Machine Products joined in I think in the early 70s, and me personally, I've been involved since about 1976. The PMPA has made a difference to my bottom line in that it's allowed me to benchmark with the leading companies, and in turn has made my company a better company.
PMPA would cease to exist if it were not for the spirit of volunteerism, which continues even today. Currently, more than 20% of the membership serves as a volunteer officer or committee member at the local or national level of PMPA. Your association has survived the Great Depression, war, civil unrest, foreign competition, and much more through the positive actions and sharing for the common good of members just like you. Today, PMPA facilitates your success by providing, in addition to meetings, online listserv communities where members help members, and a host of association deliverables, including business intelligence reports, economic and benchmarking data, raw materials impacts reports, and materials grades translator, weekly reports, newsletter, and much more.
My grandfather's actually the one who had the forethought to get involved with the PMPA. I think it's probably 52 years ago. He felt it would benefit our company to get involved with an association that was focused on our industries. Well, we use the services that PMPA has to offer. All of our people here, our key people, are on the listserv in one capacity or another. So they all do use the listserv pretty much daily, or at least read it. The listserv in itself is a very useful tool. It's a very easy tool to use. You can kind of use it for a lot of things: machinery, material, employment, insurance, pretty much anything that affects our business. We use the material translator that is in there because we've gotten a lot of prints from overseas, and they have overseas specifications on the material which we're not familiar with, and that material translator that's in there has been a big help. As far as issues in the financial world, we get the Ken Malin financial reports that come out. And if you go read some of these things, bingo, the light bulb goes off, and okay, now I know what I'm looking for and where to look. And it's been very good. It's been very good for us.
As partners in precision, the members of PMPA celebrate 75 years of history and look forward to the future with unwavering optimism and a renewed commitment to their association.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's great seeing you all here tonight, that you've decided to come and join us in our 75th year celebration of the PMPA. Your participation as members is vital to our continued existence and is vital to North American manufacturing. We ask that you please stay involved and actively involved, and if you can recruit other members to join our ranks and supply parts throughout the world, please do your part also. Thank you for being here.